Hi, this tutorial explains how to play a free virtual bingo game using the USA flag pattern. Log into your Bingo Maker account and click Free Virtual Game. Enter a password for players to join the game. Select in the list the USA flag pattern. You can remove the other patterns by unclicking them. Once you are ready to start the game, click Play. Players can get their bingo cards at bingomaker.com and click Join a Game. Then search for your game name in the game's list. Click Join and enter the password. Wait for all the players to join your game. Once you're ready, start the random draws by clicking Make a Draw. Give some time to players to click the valid squares. When a player clicks all the valid squares, the card will become red and blue like the USA flag. The winning card will appear automatically in the winners list. Confirm the bingo with the player and give a prize. Continue the game until you have no prizes left to give to winners. Thank you for using bingomaker.com.